Yung simpatya ng mga nagmamahal, yung mga umiibig. You came along unexpectedly. I was doing fine in my little world. Baby, please don't get me wrong, 'cause I'm not playing there. Got you sneaking out of my mind, spinning. So why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time. So why can't it be? Why can't it be the two of us? Why can't we be lovers? Only friends. You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time. You came along at the wrong place at the wrong time. Or was it me? Why can't it be?
Alright, Joseph.
Hi.
Hi, bro. Pare.
Yep.
You look family, ah?
Yeah.
Alright, Joseph. Nag-enjoy ka ba sa performance mo?
Nag-enjoy ako. Actually, nanin siya na eh.
Tingnan natin kung nag-enjoy ang judges. FM.
Alam mo, Ryan, parang katabi mo yung karibal mo eh.
Take a picture!
Joseph, medyo polish lang sa diction, pero bukod doon, pasok ka, pare.
So,
Para sa akin, pasok ka.
thank you very much, FM. Mamita.
I've always liked Piolo.
Good!
No, honestly, since the first audition niya, talagang, you know why, Ryan? It's, I've seen his sincerity when he sings ba? Yung bang sincere siya when he sings, and you can see how much he wants to be a Philippine Idol.
Alright. Good thing. Mamita, you're making me blush. Alright, Mr. C.
Gusto ko yung boses mo. But, you know, sinabi na nila yung gusto ko na sabihin eh. Yung earnestness nandun. I can feel it. Nararamdaman ko yung gusto mong ipakita sa mga manonood. Sana makapasok ka next week.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, thank you. Joseph, yung sincerity, nakita nila. Yung honesty, ano masasabi mo sa judges?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Alright. Thank you very much, Joseph. And if you guys like what Joseph did, text Joseph to 2339 using Smart and other networks at kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, you dial 19085-IDOL-10. That's 19085-IDOL-10. Pero mamaya nyo po gagawin yan when we give you the signal close to the end of the show. Doon pa lang po mag-uumpisa ang bilangan para po hindi masayang inyong boto for Joseph. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Good job. Alright, isang billboard ng Philippine Idol ang nag-udyok sa ating susunod na semifinalist. Kaya ang ginawa niya, nag-audition pero sarado na ang auditions ng Maynila. Ang solusyon, lumipad siya all the way to Cebu. Tingnan natin ang sakripisyo ni Christian Masaga.
After saying yes to the Lord na, sige, kakanta po ako. Tapos bigla akong nakita yung Philippine Idol. Dati wala akong pera talaga. Nakigamit ako ng credit card, punta ako ng Cebu. Ayun na. This is the last time I'll fall in love.
I like his emotion.
I like his voice.
Thank you, sir.
It's a caressing voice.
I'm going to sing Have I Told You Lately. Sabi ko, Lord, ito na ba yung papakanta mo sa akin? So, nag-reveal kagad kung yung purpose niya.
Let this be a song of prayer to everyone. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you, Lord, there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness. You take away all my sadness. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. There's a love that's divine, that it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and pray to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you, Lord, there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness. You take away all my sadness. Ease my troubles, that's what you do. You take away all my sadness. You fill my life with gladness. Ease my troubles, that's what you do.
Alright, Christian. Para yung pala ang ibig sabihin ni Mr. C ng caressing voice. Alright, Christian, you feel good about your performance?
To God be the glory.
Alright, to God be the glory. Let's hear what the judges say. FM.
Christian, the good thing I like about Christian, tuwing kumakanta si Christian, laging very emotional. He becomes one with the song. That was a very moving performance. Great.
Alright, thank you very much, FM. Mamita?
You look good together, the same height. A little bit more.
Mamita,
I'm
if only you were younger.
I'm picking on you only because Judy Ann is here.
Hindi tuloy ako makakis sa inyo eh.
No, you know, actually, he is, he always sings full of emotion, full of feeling, which, of course, has to go with the song that he chooses, no? So I hope he can make it to the next.
Alright,
To the next.
thank you very much, Mamita. Mr. C?
I didn't like the song very much for you to have sung. I would have wanted to hear another song. But I hope you make it next week. It was good enough.
Alright, thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, once again, thank you. Christian, may gusto ko bang sabihin sa judges?
Bless po kayo ni Lord. I
Alright.
love you.
Thank you very much, Christian. And if you like to be blessed by Christian, tingin nyo, ay gusto nyo siyang makita in the finals, you'd vote Christian and text it to 2339 using Smart and other networks. And if you're using a PLDT landline, all you have to do is dial 1908-5-IDOL-11. That's 1908-5-IDOL-11. That's if you want to vote for Christian. Pero mamaya pa po yan, hintayin nyo kaming magbigay ng go signal sa inyo, tsaka pa lang po ibibilang ang inyong mga boto after we give the go signal. Alright, Christian, thank you very much. Isa na lang at kumpleto na ang labanan. Maririnig ninyo po si John Nieto sa pagbabalik ng Philippine Idol.
Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out. Sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, sing it out.
All right, everyone, give it up for Mel. Good job, man. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang yugyugan dito sa party ng Philippine Idol sa Philippine Idol Theater ng SM Mega Mall. Ang pinakahuli natin, but definitely not the least,